There's two things about having a Wall Street career that really lend themselves well to doing what I'm doing now. The first thing is I know technically better than anybody in the world how to buy and sell companies. I know all the tax, the legals, the process, the documentation. I know how to find deals. I know how to negotiate. I know how to raise capital. I had that training bed in the corporate environment, which was brutal. I remember my first week as a Wall Street M&A guy. I think I had 5 or 6 hours sleep in the first week. They used to have us up working all night doing these things. I built a technical knowledge base, a whole set of experiences. I did hundreds of deals as a Wall Street guy. But then what it also built inside of me was a level of mental toughness and resilience which has served me for the rest of my life. So I'm able to talk about mindset. I'm able to talk about pushing through and getting the job done because I've done it in my own kind of corporate life. So that's the first thing to realize.